Hello, I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 38. What happens when the central bank increases the bank rate? A. Amount of borrowing increase. B. Amount of borrowing decrease. C. Supply money for increase. D. Commercials are not affected. So the concept we are looking at here is bank rates and what happens when there is increase in bank rates. Now, bank rates refers to the rate of interest which a central bank charges on its loans and advances to a commercial bank. So the rate of interest which a central bank charges on its loans and advances to commercial banks is known as the bank rate. Now, when bank rate increases, it means that the prime interest rate attached to loans also increases. Therefore, the people will be discouraged from taking loans from banks. So therefore, there will be decrease in amount of borrowing. So that is option B. Amount of borrowing decreases. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.